Welcome back everybody. I'm going there in a container in the header. Actually, I just want to put some content in this website. And first of all, what I'm just doing, I'm going to the style.css and I'm removing the silver color and the background color. So save and refresh. Exactly, this is the website. Well, I'm not removing the background, the border. So this is a border, but I'm removing, the padding. So save and refresh. This is what I just wanted to create. It's still the container is working very well. Basically the container is providing the specific width and the centralizing and the border. So cool. Go to the index.html and go inside the header, and I'm just gonna put the h1 here. Okay, and oh, sorry about that, I just don't need to break the line here. I'm just putting some content directly here, that the web page, save and refresh. Now the content, the web page is here. So now what more I need, I'm just going to the style.css, and in the container I'm applying the specific font family. I want the Arial, Verdana, and the sans serif. Save and refresh the Arial font. Well, go to the notepad back, and what I'm just doing, first of all, I'm just changing the header's height 80 and refresh. It's looking perfect still, but well, because as I said that I'm just gonna change something, so I'm not giving the height anymore, I'm just giving the padding. So by giving the padding, what will happen, I give the 10 px from the top and the bottom and 0 from the left and right. Basically it will be in the center of the content, in the center of the header, looking awesome. If I just put the 220 pixels and refresh, now you can see that it's still on the center. But what the next, the color should be white. Refresh. Now the color is white. Hell, well, I'm just putting the 5 px here, or the 10 px can be more cool. Refresh. Now exactly, this is a heading I've created, but again, the thing is that you can see that it's going out of the data, out of the outline basically. Why? Because exactly as I said that the padding have a size, so you know that how much padding I've added, left and right, the 10 px from the left and 10 pixels from the right. So now 20 pixels, I have to subtract 20 pixels from it, 1120, 1180. So refresh. Now it's again in a quotes. What I need to do more, I just need to make the navigation area for now. So guys, I'm just going to this index.html, and inside the navigation area I'm just creating the UL. Okay, so for now, what do you want to put? The A hyperreference, sorry, my policy is to add the A, the anchor tag, out of the, yes, out of the li, and then here the cover this one and put some more things here, and here the home. Awesome. The next one is the music. I can put any menu whatever I want, and you can put your own according to your content, according to your website. You can create an article website. Oh yeah, I can create the article website too, so why not? I just put the technology here. Great. By the way, the technology, the health, and the science. What more I should add after the science? I think I can add anything. Well, just leave this, just put the contact us link. Refresh. These are the things I've added here. Go back to the notepad and go to the style.css, and just after the navigation I'm calling the inside the navigation the UL, and inside the UL of the navigation the li. Perfect. So first I'm just giving the float left, okay, but I'm just going to the index.html, and what I'm just doing, just after this li, I'm just creating a div and doing the same as you know, declare both, because where here I've used the clear both, yeah, because I've used the float left with these elements. So refresh now. All these elements has the float left, but I just need to remove this thing, you know, the point. So I need to go there, and the list is style none. I just don't want any style. So now this is what they're looking. Go there and put the specific width. How much width do you want? I just want to put the 200px. Refresh. Okay, but the padding, I just want to add the 20 pixels as padding. Okay, refresh. Good. But what I'm just doing, I'm removing the height of the navigation. Save and refresh. Now because the navigation has no height, so well, I just want to clear you that why I just removed the navigation's height. This was the old look. Now if I just remove the navigation's height, which has the orange colors, exactly it's about to depending on the UL and the li, which is the children element of this nav. So refresh now, because the navigation, the li has no specific height, so the li is dependent on it and the nav is dependent on the li. But now I'm adding the padding. I'm doing the same as I did for the heading, for the h1. Well, for the padding, what I'm just doing, the 20px and 0px from the left and right. So refresh now, exactly it's looking like that. Well, they are going too much, so the 15px, okay, awesome, perfect. Well, what more I need? I just need to press enter, and the nav ul li hover background color and hash ffd2at. okay, this is the hex color I added. So now refresh, you can see that the beautiful color is there, okay, with a great contrast main. So what more I'm gonna add, I'm gonna do, I'm just going to, yeah, there, text align, and what more, center. Save and refresh. Exactly, the text is in center now. So what next I need to do, I'm just gonna do is I'm just simply going there, and the nav ul li na, sorry, or directly the a, okay, and I'm putting the things here. The color should be black all the time. Save and refresh. Now it's black now, looking perfect. Well, in the hover, I'm just changing the situation here. Color should be brown. Refresh. Yeah, this is what I just want. So exactly, this is perfect too, but I just want to make them more beautiful, so I'm just going there and just changing its their width 250. No, it's too much. 230, a little more, 235 for each. Okay, refresh now, a little more, very little more, 36, or yeah, 36. Let's just check this out. Refresh. 38. Save and refresh. Oh, I think the 40. So 40, and yes, it's covering the whole area and looking awesome. This is what I just want to do. Okay, so we've created the header completely. This is the time to create the center area, the middle area. But I'm thinking to create the middle area in the next class. So guys, stay tuned and goodbye.